In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange objects in Google Slides to create visually appealing and professional-looking presentations. Whether you're using Google Slides for personal projects, educational purposes, or corporate presentations, arranging objects effectively can greatly enhance your slides' clarity and impact. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open Google Slides and either start a new presentation or open an existing one. Once you're in your presentation, navigate to the slide where you want to arrange your objects. It could be text boxes, images, or shapes. Click on the object you want to move. When you do this, you'll notice a blue border with dots around the object indicating it's selected. This feature allows you to resize and align it with precision. Next, consider how you want your objects to be arranged. A balanced layout is key to making your slide easy to understand. If you need precise alignment, you can use the alignment guides that Google Slides automatically activates. These guides appear as red lines when you move an object and help you align it in relation to other objects on your slide. Once you've decided on the placement, you might want to ensure consistent spacing between objects. You can do this efficiently by holding down the Shift key to select multiple objects. With all desired objects selected, right-click on one of them and choose the Distribute option from the context menu. This feature allows you to evenly distribute your objects either horizontally or vertically, a useful tool when you have multiple elements and want to keep your slide tidy. If you find that one object is covering another, you can change the order of those objects without having to move them around manually. To do this, right-click on the object you want to reorder. Then, navigate to the Order option. You can choose Bring to Front or Send to Back to adjust its placement in the layering of objects. This feature is essential for creating layers of information while keeping everything readable. Additionally, if you want to add a layer of consistency to your presentation, consider using the Arrange menu. This is where you can easily align, center horizontally and vertically, or rotate your objects. This menu is a one-stop solution for most of your arranging needs and will help keep your slides looking sharp and professional. Remember, consistency is key. Try to maintain a similar arrangement style across all your slides to give your presentation a cohesive look. As you become more comfortable with these tools, you'll notice how much they enhance the clarity and attractiveness of your presentations. And there you have it, an easy guide to arranging objects in Google Slides. With a bit of practice, you'll be creating beautiful, well-organized presentations in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.